A cross-section of people seeking services from hospitals asked for more strict measures for COVID-19, citing that there are some hospitals that don't have separate waiting areas for people that go for COVID-19 testing services and those seeking other services which might be ground for spreading the virus.
Caregivers and other people seeking services from hospitals and health centers say that the new measures that were put in place to fight the spread of the pandemic are limiting because visitors to patients are required to have done a COVID-19 test prior to the visit. As a caretaker, you have to stay out and the patient is inside. Whatever you plan to do, you have to first wash your hands. And for the people that bring us food, they stay out and call us to go get whatever they've brought us with precaution. We wear our face masks and practice social distance so that we don't risk getting infected or infecting others. And we also utilize the hand washing stations. However, in other hospitals, people that come for COVID-19 testing services are triaged at the same place with those seeking other services, which is raising concerns for the people seeking these services. We are concerned because some people who come to test for COVID-19 sit in the same place with those that come to get other services before they are tested or before they get the results. And if by any chance they are infected and not wearing the face mask properly, there are high chances of getting infected without knowing. Hospital and health center administrators say they've stepped up efforts to prevent the spread of the pandemic. And these include restricting the visitors that come into hospitals and restricting movements of the caretakers in the hospitals. If someone that has come for testing stays with a COVID-19 positive patient, we receive them separately in a specific area that is designated just for that, so that they are not in contact with other people who have come for other services, to avoid the risk of transmission. We have the youth volunteers to assist us in this, who also remind them of the importance of social distancing. There are hand washing stations at the entrance where everyone has to first wash their hands. And once they get to the reception, we separate those who have symptoms and encourage social distancing and wearing their face masks appropriately. And we isolate those that we find positive. Several health centers and government hospitals and private hospitals across the country offer COVID-19 testing services in a bid to make these services more accessible.